Okay, so how do you see the future of the food industry changing, and what's that going to evolve in your opinion, Mike?
Okay, well, the first point I want to make is I think we have a very successful food industry, but the ideas that will make the next successful food industry need to be the subject of a very, very big conversation. And we need to have that conversation urgently, and we need to have it now. And there are a number of things that we need to do there. The first thing is we need to split out the various actors inside the system, from the very large players to the niche players, and allow them to have their own conversations first. The second thing we need to do is we need to make sure that as we build our future systems, we build them from a deep understanding of what the customers want, and we design backwards. That will mean that in fact we create a system which is a demand driven system, not a supply push system. And that will require the rethinking and redesign of everything inside the system. And all the pieces to make that happen are already here. They're already proven by those people who are farmers or distributors or whatever, but we just need to put those together as a coherent story. That's the conversation we need to have. It is beyond the current way that we think about these things, but all the advice, all of the trends which are going towards the future suggest we're shifting from a world which was mechanistic and centralised to a highly distributed world where the consumers will decide, and we need to live within the constraints of the planet to make that all happen.
Yeah. So, from a farmer's point of view, they're going to have to get used to it, or as you said before, get out of the kitchen.
I think that in fact this will require, actually funnily enough, it'll require more conversations in the kitchen, around the kitchen table, thinking about what this means, because if we get this new story right, the production of food in Victoria and the way we produce it will be one of the most exciting things that Australia has ever done. And we need to attract all kinds of people into that process of having that conversation, not just the players who are there at the moment.
Yeah. Thank you.